Okay, let's have a sesh on direct costs and indirect costs. So direct costs are when a cost can be traced directly to the production of a good or a service. Meanwhile, indirect costs is when a cost cannot be traced directly to the production of a good or a service. Examples of direct cost, common examples, raw materials, components, and salaries and wages. Meanwhile, common examples of indirect costs, admin or office costs, marketing, insurance and security. However, I'm saying common here because sometimes it depends on the nature of the business. Take, for example, petrol. Petrol for a taxi business is clearly directly related to the cost of the service, being the taxi company. However, petrol for a barber's, if you're going to get a trim, well, that's not really directly related to the nature of that business. So in that case, petrol would be an indirect cost. So there are a few anomalies. In terms of the income statement, direct costs and indirect costs are located in different places. So taking direct costs. Direct costs are going to be placed between revenue and gross profit. Remember, revenue minus direct costs equals gross profit. Sometimes direct costs are referred to as COGS, the cost of goods sold. Meanwhile, indirect costs are placed at a different point. So for indirect costs, you need to go revenue minus direct costs equals gross profit, and then they come next. So gross profit minus indirect costs, sometimes referred to as expenses, equals operating profit. So gross profit minus indirect costs equals operating profit. So they're located in different places in the income statement. I hope that helps, and I'll see you at the next sesh.